So, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari surprised everybody when finally the laws of mandating AC in a truck cabin were made public. So now, by 2025, all truck manufacturers are supposed to offer AC cabins. Now, this is expected to enhance driver comfort. This is expected to reduce driver fatigue and thereby play a role in reducing on-road accidents. That's the larger picture. What OEMs say, they definitely welcome the move, but they've also suggested that a market that is primarily driven by cowl chassis should also adopt crash safety norms and norms like the ECR R2902, which mandate crash safety parameters till the base of the windshield. Markets like Europe have already graduated to the 029, the R2903 level of norms, which ensures crash safety norms for the entire cabin. So these are things that the industry is hoping the Ministry of Road Transport and Shipping will take into cognizance and not just look at developments in isolation. While this move is definitely a welcome move, the impact on ground will be perhaps the cost of the end vehicle might go up by 30 to 50,000 rupees, as also some players who are lacking in the engine horsepower might have to enhance the power of the engine to make way for the additional power, at the same time ensure that the load bearing capability of the vehicles are not compromised. So these are certain changes that are expected to come into the Indian market by 2025, but a lot rests on the execution, and that will only be clearer with passing time. So ensure that you are abreast with these developments by tuning into the CV handle.